files. 1. Open Steam Game Launcher. 2. Right-click the Finals, Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. 3. Wait for it to repair corrupted missing files. Step 2. Update graphics and system drivers. Update GPU drivers AMD to the latest W8 version. Update Windows completely. Install the latest DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables, both x64 and x86. Step 3. Disable overlays and background apps. Turn off Steam Overlay, Discord Overlay, GeForce Experience Overlay. Close background apps, Razer Cortex, MSI Afterburner, etc. They often conflict with anti-cheat. Tash Step 4. Adjust compatibility and admin rights. 1. Go to the Finals install folder. 2. Right-click the finals.exe properties. 3. Under compatibility, check Run this program as administrator. Disable full screen optimizations. Run in Windows 8 or Windows 7 compatibility. Test if needed. Step 5. Clear cache and temp files. Press Wins-R, type, you can see the code in our conversation history, delete Embark Studios the Finals folders, cache will rebuild on restart. Also clear temp and prefetch folders. Step 6. Anti-cheat repair. Go to the Finals install folder, Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Run Easy Anti-Cheat setup.exe repair service. Step 7. GPU-specific fixes. NVIDIA users, open NVIDIA Control Panel, manage 3D settings, set power management mode to prefer maximum performance. AMD users, disable Radeon Chill, anti-lag, and enhanced sync. Step 8. Clean reinstall if still crashing. 1. Uninstall the game. 2. Delete leftover folders in C program files, x86, Steam, Steam Apps Common, the Finals, sent local app data, sent Embark Studios. 3. Reinstall fresh. After these steps, the exit code 206 fatal crash error should be fixed.